In this episode of the Reviews Point we'll cover the top 5 best glass PC cases that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. At number 5, NZXT H500i Tempered Glass PC Case. This is the product is ideal for modern PC building. Tempered glass PC case features a quick-release SSD trays and a different cam-powered smart device. Sure, this compact ATX PC gaming case is featured with upgraded cable routing system with straps and pre-installed channels for easy wiring. Additionally, the signature cable bar of this item has been improved to make the building process more simplified. The layout of the H500 series is ideal in optimizing airflow and giving the interior an elegant look. Most importantly, it features a premium quality design as it is made of steel. This compact ATX PC gaming case is available in 4 colors for you to choose from depending on your taste. Again, the adapting noise reduction design of this item creates a cooling and noise balance for the best gaming comfort. Of course, the motherboard of this product supports Mini ITX, Micro ATX and ATX. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4, Phanteks Eclipse Steel ATX Tempered Glass PC Case. Scooping the first position in the list is a unique yet elegant product by Phanteks. This product is fully designed with magnetic dust filter and full-size PSU support. The full metal exterior design of this item makes it durable and sturdy for an extended period. Similarly, the unique exterior design features an integrated PSU cover. This product has all that you need to create a perfect system. It is exceptional as it is built with high-quality materials that make it lie on its own class. Sure, it brings out all the new framework that enhances clean interior and exterior design. Lastly, this product weighs 13.2 pounds and has integrated RGB illumination modes. At number 3, NZXT Tempered Glass PC Case Compact ATX PC Gaming Case. This is yet great product from NZXT that pops out in the review, but this time it scoops the 4th position. The item features a fully tempered glass panel to give a clear display of the components inside. Furthermore, the motherboard designed in this best NZXT H500i compact ATX PC gaming case supports ATX, Mini ATX, and Micro ATX. Another thing, it has an adaptive noise reduction design that neutralizes noise and at the same time optimizes cooling. Likewise, this product has a digital fan controller that is powered by CAM. At number 2, NZXT H500i Tempered Glass PC Gaming Case. Taking the 3rd position on the list is a fantastic product that is built to last. This item is designed from high-quality materials which are durable and sturdy. Again, it features a unique and simple design that guarantees proper cable management. This product is built with 2 pre-installed fans and RGB LED strips. The cable management system ensures that expansion and installation of this item are easy and efficient. This product boasts of advanced ventilation and elegance. Of course, it comes in various colors for you to choose from. Lastly, the installation of this product is simplified for both custom loop configuration and AIO. At number 1, Thermaltake V2U Tempered Glass RGD Edition. At position is yet again a product from Thermaltake that is built with a professional design. This product features an internal motherboard which is compatible with ATX, Mini ATX, and Micro ATX. Additionally, the 2 pre-installed fans of this product make it have advanced ventilation. And, it has a built-in dual-mode 12-volt sync controller that enables you to enjoy 16 LED mode controls. Finally, this product weighs 15.6 pounds, and it is designed with amazing expandability. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.